Right now then guys, right, just while I've just been sat having my dinner, I just thought I'd go through some of the things you can do with the range command gearbox, the auto function, and selecting a higher or lower reverse gear. So I just thought I'd have just a quick look at setting up the gearbox. And most of it is done using automatic switch down there, which is that one there. That's your auto button. And everything else will come up on the screen in front of us there. So the first thing you can do is set a percentage of torque increase, engine increase, of when you want it to change gear. So if I press and hold the auto button, it comes up with that, which is always set at 20% for road operations. So if I press and hold it, brings that. If I press it again, keep pressing, it changes your percentage of engine power. It starts at 5 and goes all the way to 30. So the higher the number, the higher the engine RPM before it'll change gear. The lower the number, the lower the engine RPM. If I wanted to go into automatic and C range, all I need to do is press the auto button once, and you can see now there's a row of segments come up on the left hand side of the screen there. That is now in auto in C1. Right, so if I wanted to do B and C range in auto, it's 2 quick presses of the auto button. As you'll be able to see now, it has now come up with all the B range and C range, so it will now work between both them ranges without me having to do anything at all. Right, if I'm in, I want to work in automatic in the B range in the fields, and I don't want it to use all 6 gears, if I press the auto button now, which are flashing the segments in B range, as it changes down gear, I downshift. So now all that gearbox will do now is working 1st to 4th gear. There, now it's in 1st. If I speed up, it'll change, and it'll only go to 4th gear. And if I want it to, if I want to work in say 5th and 6th, or 4th, 5th and 6th, I press the auto button. If I just press the upshift button, you see it deletes gears, it removes them segments. So now it's in 4th, it will only go 4th, 5th and 6th now, like that, and back down again to 4th gear. So those are So that's a couple of settings you can do with the range command there with the auto to select what gears you want to work in. I mean, changing gear, everybody, is quite self-explanatory. That downshift and upshift. And if you want to change range, go from B to C, press that button there, and then you upshift, which will take you to C1. Right, so the other thing you can do, which I think this could be the same on the power commands, is alter your upper and lower reverse ratio. So what I mean by that, so for argument's sake, I'm working in B5, I'm travelling forwards in B5, and when I hit reverse I would like to go a gear or 2 gears slower, or I want to go a gear higher in reverse. So basically, if I'm in B4, when I hit reverse will be 4th gear reverse. So to change that, what I've got to do, I have to put the shuttle lever into forwards, press and hold the auto button, then switch the ignition on, which now will say OPT, and then pressing the minute button you can select opt 1, 2 and 3, and I want to go for number 1. Once I've done that, it comes up with a 0, which is what my gears are set at now, so it won't change gear when I change direction. If I'm going forwards in 4th, hit reverse, it will go in reverse in 4th gear. So now if I press the minute button, you'll see it'll go to minus. So if I'm in 4th gear forwards, hit reverse, it will now go 3rd reverse, and then you've got 2 and 3. If I press the hour button, it'll go 1, 2 and 3. So if I select 1, going forward in 4th, when I hit reverse it'll go, well sorry, yeah, when I hit reverse it will go into 5th gear, and it's as simple as that. And to save that, all I have to do now is turn the ignition off like that, and that will have saved what I've asked it to do there. So that's just a quick look at a couple of the functions on the range command gearbox. The auto function and your upper and lower reverse gear selection. Hope you enjoyed that little video, and we'll catch you on the next one.